The Momentum Equation, Calculating Velocity by KayScience.com. Momentum equals mass times velocity. Momentum equals mass times velocity. So what are the units for momentum, mass and velocity? The unit for mass is kilograms and the unit is kg. The unit for velocity is meters per second. And because we're multiplying mass by velocity, the unit for momentum is kilogram meters per second. Not kilogram per meter per second, but kilogram meters per second. And momentum, P, equals mass m times velocity v. P equals m times v. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. This is the problem you will learn how to solve. Press pause to attempt it. The method and the answer will follow. So we've got three different rocks here, rolling down a hill. We're going to use the information to calculate their mass, velocity, or momentum. This rock has a mass of 56 kilograms and a momentum of 270 kilogram meters per second. This smaller rock has a mass of 15 kilograms, but a much higher momentum of 1,800 kilogram meters per second. And this rock has a mass of 48 kilograms with a velocity of 30 meters per second. So now let's recall the equation. P equals m times v. Momentum equals mass times velocity. For the rock at the top, we've got a mass of 56 kg, and we've got the rock's momentum of 270 kilogram meters per second. So we can use this to calculate the velocity of the rock. So you rearrange for v. V equals p divided by m. Velocity equals momentum divided by mass. However, for the rock at the bottom, we've got the mass and the velocity. This means we can use this information to calculate the rock's momentum. So you'd recall the equation P equals m times v, mass times velocity. So for the top rock, we're going to work out the rock's velocity. So we do 270 kilogram meters per second divided by its mass, 56 kilograms. That gives us a velocity for this rock of 4.8 meters per second. In this example, we've got the rock's mass, which is 15 kilograms, and the rock's momentum, which is 1,800 kilogram meters per second. So we can work out v, the velocity of the rock. So you divide the rock's momentum, which is 1,800 kilogram meters per second, by the rock's mass, 15 kilograms. That gives you a velocity of the rock of 120 meters per second. So in the last example, we've got the rock's mass and velocity, so we can work out the momentum of this rock. So it's P equals m times v. So P equals 48 kilograms times 30 meters per second. So that means the momentum of this rock is 1,440 kilogram meters per second. So remember, momentum is a vector quantity. It has direction, so its number will be positive or negative. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Visit KayScience.com for more free videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe.